What's up, guys? Today to share with you, I have something very fun. I wanted to give something to my daughter, and so I have ordered this stunt car. I found it really cool online, so I ordered it, and I thought I should share it with you guys first, and then give it to them so that they can just do whatever they want. Most probably, like take it apart. So let's see. Let me unbox it, share it with you guys, and share some of its features, and then I will just give them. I really enjoyed it, so I hope you guys are going to enjoy it as well. Let's dig in. Alright, so we have Twist Mac four-wheel stunt car made by NQD. And on this side, we have some features like all-round drifting, 2.4 gigahertz for multiplayer, 3.7 volt rechargeable battery, one-click deformation, and on the top you can see we have the remote control here and the hand control watch here and the main car there. Let's open it up and see what's inside it. All right, let's bring out the remote control here. All right, yeah, remote out. Let's bring out the watch. We have the watch here. Let's bring out the USB cable, charging cable, and the battery of the car, and the car itself. It's quite heavy though. Like when I lift it, there is a significant weight. So don't take it for cheap plastic. There is a significant weight there. These areas are flexible so that it can change position, and these tires have this mechanism so that it can drift, as well as move forward. And it is a four-wheel drive. After opening up the screw, it will have two AAA batteries, most probably AA or AAA batteries here. You have to install those, and this one has a cell probably inside it, so a button cell here. So this watch will work with a button cell. This is its button to turn on. You will wear this one on the finger, probably like this, something like that. You will wear it. Nice matching of the green color though. This is the battery of the car that will go here after removing the screw, and this is the charging cable. So let me install the batteries and cells inside the remote and the car and charge it up, and then we will play with it. All right, now that we have it out of the box, let's see. Looks really cool, looks really beautiful as well. The color green and the dark shade black color also looks really cool, and overall it looks really good. There is a significant weight to it, and overall it does look like a stunt car. In terms of its features, it comes with this gravity sensor watch that you can wear it and control with it. You can do all kind of perform all kinds of stunts just using this watch, and I actually really love it. So once you have wore it, you can actually move it forward, reverse, or sideways just by using your hand. Obviously remote is there, you can perform all kinds of operations with the remote as well, but the hand gestures and the way the car responds to your hand gestures, it's really cool. The car can move sideways as well as forward and reverse. It is a four-wheel drive, so it means that even if it hits something, it will still continue driving. Even it flips it over, it will still continue driving. And it has music as well. It has built-in lightning, on-road mode and off-road mode. So when it is on road to gain speed, it is flat. When you want to go off-roading, then you can increase its height and activate its off-road mode so that it does not hit with stones or anything. Using the remote, actually you can turn on an auto show mode as well. There are 2 3 auto show modes in which it automatically just starts displaying stunts, so you don't have to do anything. So that one is also really cool. So overall, it's really cool. I think my daughters are really going to enjoy it. So let me know what you think of it. Take great care of yourself. Bye.